internet. It's a very important topic. So internet is what? Internet word, that is inter plus network. That is a internet means inter plus network. So internet words come from the word ARPANET. Internet word come from the word ARPANET. ARPANET, right? Because ARPANET is what? ARPANET means Advanced Research, and P for project, and A for agency. Agency, right? And this is network. The internet come from the word ARPANET, and ARPANET is what? Advanced Research Project Agency. So this is an agency that established the internet first. Talking about the internet, so in an internet, many computers, yeah, you can say many nodes, many computers are connected to each other, and they also connect to the server. They are connected to each other, right? And they also connect to the server. This is what? This is the server, right? So if I am talking about the server, so server is what? Server is a storehouse. Server is what? Server is a storehouse, and that hold text, images, video, audio, and any type of information. Again, I am explaining you in deep. If I am talking about the server, because many people confuse in this point. Server. So server is what? Server is a storehouse. As you know, you have a store in your home, and you keep everything on that room, that store. And when you require, you can find out and you can fetch that thing. Like this, server is a storehouse, and that hold, what hold? That hold text, audio, video, GIF, etc. Like, so server is a playhouse, server is a storehouse that hold the text, audio, video, GIF, etc. In an internet, every computer are connected to the server, and they are also connected to the each other. So if you want to find anything, so you will send the request to the server, and server process it and give the response. So suppose this is a user, and this is a server, right? And user send this is a computer, right? So user send the request to the server, and server process it. It may be take few seconds, right? Because sometimes servers are busy, and sometimes servers take some time to finding the file. So if computer send the request to the server, then it takes 1 and 2 seconds, and then server process it and send the response to the computer. This is the response, like this, right? So if same time, if same time lot of computers send the request to the server, so that time server will busy, and then that time server will process request one by one in a queue manner, right? And one by one server will give response to the computers, to the users. So that's why server takes few seconds. So this is a total process of sending and receiving request from the server. So the next topic is uses of internet. There are many uses of the internet, you know. So the first is sharing information. First is sharing information, right? Sharing information means you can send, receive messages from one to another person, and you see through by the WhatsApp you will chat, through by the Facebook, through by the Twitter, you can send and receive messages. Okay, so you can share your information and find information. Find information. So through what, you know, in a computer, computers are connected to each other, and they are also connected to the server. So you can find any type of information from the server. Any type of information means you can find any text, any video, any audio, any GIF, and any type of information of any topic you can find from the server. So this is also advantage of internet. I am talking about the uses and you can say advantage of internet. So the first is sharing information. You can send and receive messages, you can share information, and you can find information. Third is online reservation. Online reservation. Online banking. So you know, you can do online reservation through by the internet. If you are sit on your home and you don't want to go anywhere for reservation, then you can do reservation from your home. Okay, and this is done by the internet. If you have an internet connection, do online reservation, right? So and the next is online banking. If you want to do any type of transaction from one person to another person, one account to another account, then through by the internet you can do this. And the next is online shopping. This is very common to all. Online shopping. Through by the internet you can do online shopping, and if you want to buy any clothes, any accessories, any type of material, then you can purchase from the internet. Okay, so this is the online shopping. And next is entertainment. Right? So if you want to see any song, any music, you want to use YouTube, because YouTube have a lot of videos, then a lot of cartoons, then kids, and you also can enjoy videos and audios. So if you have internet connection, then you can enjoy this type of facilities, right? So these are the some advantage of internet. There are many more advantage. Then you can do online chatting. You can send and receive, and you can send and receive mails. Send and receive mails. Receive mails. Email. I am talking about the email. Email is what? Email is a electronic mail. If you have a Gmail ID and I have also a Gmail ID, then you can send me email. In an email, you can send me any document, any file, any video, etc. Right? So this is the email, means electronic mail. So by the internet we can send and receive email also, right?